A ball, a swim,
Mm-hmm.
a swim, a hat. How do you play with a hat?
I don't know.
Two. Two. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Sneeze. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Choo! What if you try to sneeze more soft? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Do not speak. It is too late. How come he like was Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Choo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
Fun.
Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. How is he so happy he's sick?
Because
He can get his friend sick?
no, we can still be friends with Piggy.
Oh. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Good for you.
The end.
The end.